That's right, guys. If you're looking for the chance to win a Fast and Furious Toyota Supra replica, watch today's video and follow the links in the description down below. Hey guys, welcome to Fuel Fest 2024 Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm here with Tim. Tim, introduce yourself. Tell me about your cars.
So I'm Tim with Driven Society, Driven Motorsports. We do builds, we do restorations, we do giveaways, we donate to charity every chance we get. So the cars we brought here today, we got the 70 Charger with the 671 that is usually, we call it my boy blue because it's blue, but because we did the 93 Supra, we had to do it in black. You can't do one and not the other when you got that in the stable. I got some on-wheel cars on the left, really getting it.
And the cars look pretty iconic side by side.
Right, so, you know, we did
First
that.
movie vibes.
Oh, and that's exactly why we did it. So we got the 93 Supra. It's a 2J big turbo S366, you know, standalone ECU, big ass injectors. It's the one with the lanyard. So yeah, good car. We're just working on some tuning things right now with it. We're getting some rev cuts on the new ECU, but
Jay said you guys are making around 600 roughly.
That's our goal.
Yeah.
So right now with the rev cut we're hitting, we're about 5,000 RPM, about 4 pounds of boost. So we're at 350 wheel dyno number. So we got to get past that rev cut, and then we're going to ramp the boost up.
Okay.
The car will make, you know, in the neighborhood of 7,
yeah.
But because we're doing a giveaway, we want someone to have a good, safe car. It's a fresh engine. We're going to hold it back, and then we know, you know, we didn't lean on it any too much.
Yeah.
We brought the Huracan. This is one of the personal cars in the fleet. It's not up for grabs, but it is a beautiful car to have here. And then over here we've got.
But which cars can you win, and how do you win them?
Okay, so you got 4 cars to win. All you gotta do is go to drivengiveaways.com, grab any merchandise off our site, and you're in. That's it.
That's it.
So the 4 cars up for grabs: the 93 Supra. And then if we turn around over here, we've got the 63 409 SS Impala we call Ron Burgundy. Smells like rich mahogany and leather-bound books. It's great. It's got a sniper on it. It's a beautiful car. We've done a repaint on our shop, so this is our guys' workmanship. It's a little dusty with the Arizona dust here, but beautiful car. We got the 68 RT. We have the original broadcast sheet for the car. Every number on that car matches except for the transmission. So somebody once upon a time was having fun with their hot rod.
Okay.
So that one's up for grabs. That was our previous giveaway car. A guy by the name of Jeff Corsi won it. He's a Chevy guy. He picked the cash. He says, I can't park a Mopar in my driveway.
How much was the cash? It was pretty
we gave him $95,000 in US cash.
$95K.
So to Canadian, I mean, it was like 130 something thousand. Like, life-changing amount of money. Jeff Corsi's a gem of a guy. He turned it into another car, which was of course a Chevy.
Exactly.
The last car in our giveaway is what we have called the Hell RX. So it's a 22 TRX. We've got a Hellion twin turbo kit going on it, feeding the supercharger. They tell us it's going to be about 1,000 horsepower. So we'll find out, because we're going to also have to dyno that one. You know, proof in the pudding's on the wheels, on the dyno. No box reading here. We like
nice.
our numbers.
And you guys are located up in Canada, right?
We are, Calgary, Alberta. The shop is at 5678 Burley Crescent. We've got great body guys there, a great paint shop.
Okay.
We've got phenomenal mechanics. We do motorsports, we do diesel, we do the assembly of all the cars there. We do day-to-day maintenance and repairs as well.
Well, that's great, man. I appreciate you showing me the cars, and I'll make sure I link all your guys' social media and your business down below.
Please do. It's a pleasure meeting you as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, man.
Oh, man. Have a great one.
What's up, Noel?
How you doing, brother?
Big fan. Love you in the first movie, man.
Chilling, dog. All love. Nice to meet
dude.
you, man. How you doing?
Pretty good. I saw you at Pacific Raceways. It was too busy. I didn't get to come up and say hi to you.
Oh, okay.
It's nice to come see you here, man.
No, that's what's up, man.
Yeah, dude. Well, that was pretty cool. I'm going to buy a t-shirt from their website and see if I can win that Supra. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Well, we are back home, guys. I had a good time at Fuel Fest. It was so much fun. And I will have a full video coming, episode 2, walking around. I'll do a drift ride along, kind of check out all the cars at the show, concert at the end, kind of give you guys a little bit of a vibe of everything that was going on there. We're back in my garage, got the Subaru WRX here, and I've got the Skyline GTR down here. And how awesome would it be to win that Toyota Supra? I wanted to make this video with you guys. I met Tim and the guys from Driven Society before the show opened. I saw the car sitting there, got to talking to the owner of the company, and after 20 minutes of talking to him, thought, hey, you know, I want to make this video because I want to share with you guys and have you guys have a chance to win the car. So I think it would be awesome to have a Skyline and a Supra. Fingers crossed. I don't know if I'm going to win, but I did order a Supra t-shirt, So hopefully that gives me the chance I need. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Leave me a comment down below in the bottom. Subscribe if you like this type of content. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys on episode 2. Thanks for watching.